Are you trying to fix your credit, but you're scared you're going to run into somebody like this who talks to consumers like this? Well, this is the video for you. Let me be the first to tell you, you do not have to pay a credit repair company like me or anybody else, or fall for scams, again, like this guy who talks to people like this. So I'm going to put a screenshot of a credit report up here. So this is literally how easy credit repair is. This is a side-by-side comparison of TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Literally all that you have to do is point out anything that's inaccurate, anything that's incomplete, and anything that you feel is unverifiable. I don't care what it is. If it's 2 things, it needs to be in the letters. If it's 20 different things that's inaccurate, put it in the letter. Also, one of the main things that credit repair experts, or so-called credit repair experts, forget to dispute is the payment history. The payment history is one of the main ways we get a lot of deletions for our clients, because the payment history has to be accurate just like everything else on a credit report. The last thing you want to do is dispute online, because despite what this guy says, you give up your rights, so many rights, including your rights to sue the credit bureaus and or data furnishers. So why do scammers like this dispute online? Well, simple. They don't know how to do real credit repair. Plus, they're too cheap. They don't even have enough money to mail off your dispute letters because nobody is signing up for their services, despite what they want you to think. And they don't work with millionaires. Anyway, like I was saying before, your round 1 letter, point out everything that's inaccurate and everything that's incomplete, including the payment history. Once they send back something to you stating that it's verified, you want to send what's called a reinvestigation letter. Do not use ChatGPT for any of this. They know it's coming from ChatGPT. And your reinvestigation letter, you basically want to say, I disputed this inaccurate information 35 days ago, because you want to wait 35 days before you send another round. Tell them everything that you disputed. Tell them that you want them to reinvestigate because the information is still inaccurate and incomplete. Once they send back verified as accurate, then you want to send them what's called a method of verification. Now, if you want to look up more about the method of verification letter, you can do that by simply doing a Google search. I'm not going to go into all the details. After you send the method of verification, 35 days later, comes back verified as accurate, then you want to send them what's called a litigation letter. You're basically telling them, now remember, it's illegal to tell them you're going to sue them without being serious. So let's take this seriously. You want to send them a litigation letter letting them know that if they do not fix these errors on your credit report, that you will take them to litigation. Trust me when I say, if you do these steps the correct way, you will win money, a deletion, and you will possibly get that debt waived. This is exactly what me and my attorneys are doing for our customers. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Sunday.